Let me ask you something. When was the last time you changed your mind because you actually thought deeply? Not because someone shouted louder, not because a video went viral, but because you stopped and examined an idea. We live in a time where information is endless, but thinking is rare. Scrolling is constant, reaction is instant, opinions are automatic, and slowly, without noticing, the mind begins to weaken. Not in intelligence, in structure. Mental decay does not mean you are stupid. It means something quieter. It means you react before understanding. You consume without digesting. You repeat without questioning. You feel certain without examining why. Your brain becomes a mirror. It reflects what it sees. It does not analyze it. And that is dangerous. Let's be honest. Social media is not neutral. It is designed for engagement. Engagement means emotion. Emotion means speed. Speed means no reflection. The algorithm studies what you like, then it feeds you more of it. More of the same opinions, more of the same beliefs, more of the same emotional triggers. Not contradiction, not complexity, just confirmation. And when your mind only hears itself, it becomes fragile. Short videos, quick takes, instant outrage. Your brain gets constant stimulation, and the more stimulation it gets, the less it tolerates depth. Reading feels harder. Silence feels uncomfortable. Long ideas feel exhausting. But thinking requires stillness, and stillness feels empty to a brain trained for noise. This is not weakness, it is conditioning. This is where philosophy matters, not as an academic subject, as mental training. When Socrates said, "I know that I know nothing," he wasn't being humble, he was protecting his mind from certainty. Philosophy trains you to question assumptions, look for hidden premises, accept complexity, slow down your reaction. It interrupts automatic thinking, and interruption is protection. Premature certainty is one of the most dangerous mental states. When you feel absolutely sure before you have questioned anything. Friedrich Nietzsche warned about herd mentality, about belonging replacing thinking. And today, belonging is rewarded more than depth. You don't get attention for nuance. You get attention for strong opinions, even if they are shallow. Hannah Arendt studied systems where people stopped thinking critically. She called it the banality of evil. Not monsters, not villains, just ordinary people who stopped questioning. Mental decay is not dramatic. It is gradual. It happens quietly. Think of philosophy as your mind's immune system. An immune system does not stop all viruses. It recognizes them. It evaluates them. It decides what belongs. Philosophy teaches you to ask, what is being assumed here? Who benefits from this idea? What is the counter-argument? What am I missing? These questions build resistance, and resistance builds strength. Philosophy is slow. It is uncomfortable. It does not give quick answers. And in a culture addicted to speed, slowness feels painful. But muscles grow under resistance, and minds grow under contradiction. Without challenge, thinking becomes lazy, and lazy thinking turns into rigid belief. If this kind of thinking matters to you, subscribe. This channel is here to slow the mind down in a world that rewards reaction, to build clarity, not noise. Mental strength is built over time.